Good morning, student. Today we learn Standard 6, Chapter 3, that is Fiber to Fabric. First we learn history of clothing. It is said that humans started wearing clothes more than 150,000 years ago. In the beginning of civilization, people used animal skin and bark of tree as clothes. After they started weaving twig grass into mats and baskets. In India, people wear unstitched garments like turban, sari, and dhoti. People started wearing stitched clothes after invention of needle made up of bones and ivory was discovered. 150,000 years ago, humans started wearing clothes and they first used animal skin or bark, and after civilization started they start weaving twigs and mats, and Indian people were on stitches crime after this discover of needle by Russia. They start clothes. So fiber, we get fiber from plant, animals, and chemicals. Fiber are classified into two categories. First one is natural fiber and second one is synthetic fiber. Natural fiber are that obtained from natural sources, that is plant and animal. Example, cotton, jute, silk, etc. Fiber obtained from plant sources are called plant fiber. Example, cotton, jute, coir, and linen. We get there are two categories of fiber: natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Natural fiber that get from plant or animal are known as natural fiber. Example, cotton, jute, and plant fibers. Fibers which are obtained from plant are known as plant fiber. Cotton, jute, linen. Example, cotton. Cotton is most popular fiber and grow in black soil, warm climate, and moderate rainfall. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, and Punjab are the states where cotton grew in more quantity. The cotton fruit is called cotton balls and burst when they ripe. Picking. The cotton fiber are collected by hand or harvester. This process is picking, ginning. The process of separating of cotton seed from cotton fiber by cotton seeds grow in black soil and moderate condition and mainly found in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, and Punjab. And cotton fruit is known as cotton spurs, and when they grow, they ripe, they washed, and collection of cotton fibers is known as picking, and separating the cotton seed from cotton fiber is known as ginning. Spinning. The fiber are clean and made long thread. The fiber are spun using spinning machine to form cotton yarn. The process of making yarn is called spinning. Weaving. After spinning, yarn is made into cotton fiber by weaving. The process of arranging up two set of yarn together to make a fabric is called weaving. Cloth are woven on hand loom or power loom. Uses of cotton. Cotton is soft fabric, so called a breathing fabric. In India, khadi, a coarse and woven cloth, is made from cotton, and towels, bedsheet, curtains, and saris also made from cottons. The fiber are clean to make long thread and fibers spun using spinning machine, and the process of making yarn is called spinning. Weaving. After yarn made fiber, process of arranging two sets threads and make fabric is known as weaving. Cotton are made wove in handloom or power loom. Cotton fabric is soft, so known as uh, breathing fabric. In India, khadi hand woven clothes are used. Towel, bedsheet, curtains, sarees also made from cotton. Jute. Jute is a natural fiber with golden, silky, shiny, hence known as golden fiber. Jute fiber is obtained from jute plant growing in rainy season. Jute plant need alluvial soil found in delta region of Ganges, Brahmaputra river in West Bengal, Bihar, and Assam. It takes 5 to 6 months for harvesting and 6 to 10 feet height and no branches in jute plant. Rating. The stem of jute plant are bundle and jute plant are bundle. Okay, jute plant are bundle, not at. This is are bundle and immerse in water for few days until they are start rotting. Jute is a natural fiber and golden silky shining, hence known as golden fiber, and jute fiber obtained from jute plant grow in rainy season, and these are mainly grow in alluvial soil and mainly found in Ganga Brahmaputra rivers in West Bengal, Bihar and Assam, and it is takes 5 to 6 months for harvesting, and height is 6 to 10 feet, and the jute plant has no fiber rating. The stem of jute are bundled and immersed in water for few days, up to about 20 days, and they started rotting or rotting. Spinning. Fiber are made into yarn by this is not this is by okay twisting by fiber are made into yarn by twisting the strand together. The process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. Uses of jute. The strong thread made from jute fiber are used for making sacks used for packing and storing grains. Jute fiber are used mainly for making gunny bags, shopping bag, ropes, rugs, carpet, curtains, etc. Fiber are made into yarn by twisting the strand. The process of yarn making yarn to fiber. Jute are strong thread make sacks, gunny bags, shopping bags, rope, rugs, carpet, curtains are made from jute fiber. Other useful plant fiber. Coir or coconut fiber extracted from coconut husk and mostly used to make doormat, carpet and other flooring materials. Hemp yani bhang. Hemp fiber is obtained from hemp plant and used to make ropes, carpet, clothes, paper and net. Flax fiber obtained from flax plant is woven to make a fabric called linen. Flax fiber are also used in production of rope and high quality paper. Coconut fiber extracted from coconut husks and make doormat, carpet and other flooring. Hand from hemp fiber, hemp fiber are obtained from hemp plant and makes rope, carpet, clothes, paper and net. Flax are obtained to woven fabric known as linen, and flax fiber are also used in production of rope and high quality paper. And this is completed about uh, plant fiber and history of fiber to fabric. In next class, we learn about animal fiber and conversion of fiber to fabric. Thank you.